Even if what you are arguing is correct, read CRPC, please. Schedule. You pull up a lady for conspiracy in murder when you don't have even evidence against the main accused. What kind of acts are you trying to justify, please? Bail level. So just in order to ensure that somehow you have taken police custody of the woman in a bailable offense.
He was not taken to custody.
Mr. Mazumdar, you want us to comment on your investigation right now? You could not have had any evidence to show her as a conspirator at that point of time. Be fair and make a statement. What was the evidence with the IO to book this woman for conspiracy of murder? Come forward.
Good morning, Your Lordship. The woman was examined over a period of 5 days. We have recorded her various.
5 days.
We have recorded.
Initial arrest for what offense? Yes.
There is some developments at the
What
level
development?
of
What is the development? Let us know.
development is an inquiry has been directed
Against
against the police.
police officials? Who is conducting the inquiry?
My lord, this lordship may kindly have a look at the order. It's an order by the Inspector General Police
Okay.
with reference to the subject cited above. Assam Police Headquarters has taken a note of the media reports
Hmm.
and initiated the following actions. An inquiry has been ordered into the whole sequence of events by the police headquarters, and
Yes.
necessary action will be taken against the erring officials on receipt of the
Yes,
inquiry.
yes, sir. Let the inquiry be conducted then.
Well, there is another aspect. I'm just indicating this, your
Hmm.
lordship is seen. Well, the main accused has filed an application for anticipatory bail.
Uh,
Matter came up on 2nd or 3rd.
hmm.
On that day, CD was called for no interim. Now, it was indicated by the petitioner, same counsel is appearing for the petitioner there also.
Council of hearing is
I'm not on this, but he has taken time on that day and the case was fixed on the next day for CD.
so.
That was, I'm not kindly be with. Oh, that was on 7. 7, they have said, let us wait for the outcome of the habeas corpus petition. My habeas corpus petition has got no relation with that.
So you could have insisted before single bench to decide the
We were
fourth
ready
case.
with the case diary. I have taken information.
So Mazumdar,
I'm not.
we have seen your affidavit. You want us to comment on that? What? Just hold on. The other day, remember your arguments. Your argument was that the lady was suspected of hiding information about the main accused, right? For what offenses you have arrested her?
No, she was not arrested, my lord. Let me kindly see the document.
Now you have shown her arrested or not? The
Yes.
second wife.
Yes, ma'am.
For what offenses? 120B, 302,
Well, she is
conspirator in the murder.
she is hiding
Let us see the
evidence. Well,
hiding evidence, that is 211. Okay. Harboring an offender 212. CRPC लीजिए थोड़ा सा हाथ में. Even if what you are arguing is correct, read CRPC, please. Schedule. Let the inquiry officer hear our view, which is there on the YouTube now.
201.
Yes, 201. What is the nature of the offense, please?
201. Causing disappearance of evidence.
No, in the column of bailable, non-bailable.
My lord. Bailable, yes.
Bailable.
Bailable.
So just in order to ensure
My lord.
that somehow you have taken police custody of the woman in a bailable offense.
He was not taken to custody.
Mr. Mazumdar, you want us to comment on your investigation right now? You could not have had any evidence to show her as a conspirator at that point of time. Just to somehow or the other justify your action in arresting that woman with the minor child.
My lord.
You have booked her for a conspiracy in murder when you didn't even have material against the main accused. The first report was silent. Second report, there was a suspicion. And now you pull up a lady for conspiracy in murder when you don't have even evidence against the main accused. What kind of acts are you trying to justify, please? supervise the
Now the
inquiry.
inquiry has been conducted, Lordship will.
And if at all
Madam.
there is any kind of humanity still left in the actions, these ladies should be got released. This is inhuman on the face of it.
Well, I'll take care of them. And initial actions, the Lordship has on the last day indicated that during the early
You see,
morning.
judgment,
not here.
judgment dena sakhe.
Well, I don't support that, of that action.
46-4.
No, I don't support the action. On that itself, she also said, sorry, my lord. I am also saying, I'll ask them not to do in future. Such action.
Not do in future. What about what has been done till now?
That's what I'm also saying. my
Why
lord.
not? Why shouldn't we direct that they should be compensated? Read this judgment.
Lordship will hear the matter. My lord, I will file a detailed affidavit.
All right, then argue. Let us see the case diary and see whether there is any justification for their arrest.
And Lordship will take up the whole matter for some other for final disposal. Today, my lord,
Habeas
the second
corpus.
my lord, habeas corpus, the first part has become redundant now. For the second part, the matter is to be heard.
Why
Com-
redundant?
compens-
If we
compens-
find that your officers arrested the ladies
My lord.
without any basis whatsoever, why the first part has become redundant? The scope of habeas corpus is wide enough, Mr. Mazumdar.
46-4 is there, my lord.
Call your SP now. We'll ask her.
My lord,
What evidence was there to book this woman for conspiracy? Yes,
they are here.
yes. Let her come forward.
Yeah.
She is a young officer.
My lord, out of
Let her say, Madam, be fair and make a statement. What was the evidence with the IO to book this woman for conspiracy of murder? Come forward.
Good morning, Your Lordship. The woman was examined over a period of 5 days. We have recorded her various,
5 days.
we have recorded.
Initial arrest for what offense?
The arrest was carried out on the 31st of May for 120B 302 201 109.
So when she was first picked up, what was the evidence against her?
The day that she was first picked
Brought to the police station at 4:30,
at 5 a.m., Your Lordship.
5 a.m. So in Indian context, that is still night. Right? Assam doesn't have any other time zone as against the time zone of the country.
The first wife who was brought at 5 a.m., she was examined. The initial offense was 212 IPC.
212, yes.
212.
Now pause here. When the initial offense was 212, did your IO offer her an opportunity to furnish bail bonds or not?
She was not arrested, Your Lordship. She was, because 212 IPC has an exception for the wife harboring the husband. We issued 160 CRPC and we continue to examine her to elicit further information.
So now we put you a plain and simple question. As an officer of the court, tell us, is there evidence in your case that it would justify 120B? There is. Only let us see then. We'll examine it. If you are still adamant on that, we'll examine it. Yes, Mr. Mazumdar.
Case diary, my lord, with them.
Get the case diary.
This will give for your lordship, they will say that publicly will not announce it. Will
Oh, of course.
For your lordship.
No, we'll not make any information public.
My lord,
Rest assured.
now that there is live streaming also.
Yes, we are sensitive to that. Live streaming band kar dijiye.
Lordships are conscious.
The pendency of these proceedings